Hello, and welcome back to the SolidCAM mill turn training videos. At the end of the last video, we set up how we wanted to save our CAM project, where we were saving our CAM project to, and the units we were going to be running in. You next will be presented with this screen. This allows us to select the machine we want to place our part on and allows us to set coordinate systems, make definitions for target and stock we will be machining the part from. In this short video, we will be talking about the machine selection. Your list of machines and mine are going to be different. I have machines ranging from 3-axis machines through 5-axis, as well as Swiss-style machine configurations. Your list of machines will be the machines you have in your shop or machines that you are programming for routinely. When I open the pull-down dialog box open, I will select the machine I want to use for this part, in this case the Okuma Multus U3000. When selecting the machine, make sure that you are aware of the machine's abilities. Is it a single spindle machine with an upper turret only, or does the machine have both a main and a sub-spindle with either single or multiple turrets, or even perhaps an upper B-axis head that can perform 5-axis work like it is in this case of the Okuma Multus. Most people associate this selection with selecting the G-code. This is correct. We are selecting the output G-code or the flavor of the NC output. Understand, however, there is more going on in the background that you're not seeing. If I select a machining center that has 5-axis abilities, I will be presented with differing options than if I selected a 3-axis machine, as the 3-axis machine has limited movements compared to a 5-axis machine. There are post-processor files as well as machine tool simulation files that work together to perform a complete post-processor. These files create the makeup for the machine's abilities as well as the kinematic movement on all of the axes, directions the axes can travel in, how far they can move, while monitoring over and under travel limits on all the axes as well. Make sure that you are selecting a machine that can perform the desired movements needed to program the part you are trying to machine. There'll be more on the post-processor topic in future videos. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we will define our coordinate systems and part selections for machining. I will see you there.